All right, I got my last mag in 9. So this is my future truck gun. Whip it out the backpack. We're going. Put it back in the bag. It's a cool little build. It's not even a AR. It's not even a pistol caliber carbine. It's actually just one of my Glocks inside of a chassis. So pop this bitch out. Neat little magic trick, huh? Hit him with the John Wick reload, but yeah, you just pop this thing in there, push this close, drop the charging handle in it, and it turns it into a shoulderable 9. So, trigger work done by me, of course.